Hey guys, make sure you stand till the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the BCM, this is body control module, fuses, relays are located on Chevy Equinox, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them, guys. We'll talk about hidden fuse boxes as well. All that will be covered. In addition, if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything, guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead, guys, and start on it now. So guys, the BCM, body control module, fuses, relays. You will have multiple fuses that you need to check today. Make sure to stand till the end. Come, we will show you what we have here. Now, guys, there will be multiple fuse boxes in that Chevy Equinox. Some of them are hidden. We recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location and diagram. It's a video that can save you a lot of money. And what we can do now, guys, we need to come to the passenger side, open the door, and on the inside, if you come in the footwell compartment right here on the center console, on the side, you have one cover. Open that cover, and underneath that cover is the main interior fuse box. Here we'll be checking multiple fuses today. Be prepared, but before we start, let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Guys, fuse numbers here are a little bit confusing, okay, and specifically what we need to do. So let's go ahead, start on it now, and explain. Multiple fuses will be for the BCM body control module functions. Some of those include, guys, fuse number 4 right here, fuse number 6 that you see right there. Then you need to check fuse number 7, that 5M fuse, okay, will need to be addressed. You go to fuse number 8 after that, okay. It's a little bit chaotic, I know, but we're trying to explain it here. Then you go to fuse number 16, so that's 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 16. Fuse number 16 is right here, guys. Check that one. You need to check fuse number 20 right next to it as well. Next, we're going to fuse number 30, okay, right there. Check this one, guys. Next, we're going to check 34, so that's 31, 2, 3, 4, 34. Right here, and after that we need to locate fuse number 40, which will be that big fuse right here, guys. Okay, all these fuses are for the BCM body control modules. What about the relays? Okay, those are known as relay fuses. You don't have a relay for the body control module. The function is controlled by the module itself, but you have these fuses that are known as relay fuses that you need to check. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open, guys, the interior fuse box, we want to show you, you have two kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, JK's fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now, guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you're stuck. Always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share, guys, the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well, guys. So thank you for watching. Hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.